was actually a motion to dismiss. She was asking that the impeachment complaint be dismissed. And if, for example, the faction of Cayetano was still the majority, was not removed as a majority, then they might grant it. And then it goes to the Supreme Court again, whether the Senate can just dismiss it without holding a trial. That will be the issue. So this will delay it and delay it. But now that will not happen because the majority now is with the group of Gatchalian. And if they will have to vote, 12 will vote that no, the trial will proceed. And the other group has only 10. So it really boils down to that, the way I look at it.
It boils down to that, pero nga, as we speak, nababawasan ng each side. Baka bago pa lumipat ng kampo, biglang nakasuhan na bigla. It's like, anong count natin sa kabila? Or dito, SB 11, Duterte, like, I mean, what a mess, Justice Carpio. I know you have
And,
this,
and,
yeah.
and once there is a trial, the most important thing here is the motion of the prosecutors, the House, to subpoena the bank records and the bank officials. They will put that to vote, and that's by majority vote. That is really the crux of the matter.
Yeah, exactly. And then how do you count again majority? Parang ganun ang maging issue na naman.
Yeah, then you count again the majority. So, but of course, there are 12 of them, and physically, Jinggoy will not be there, and Bato will not be there. They cannot vote without being present, no?
Yeah.
Because they failed to change the rules. You have to be present. That's the rule when Laila de Lima was in jail. She could not vote. So they have not changed that rule. And Marcoleta wanted it changed, but they were not able to vote on it. So that is really uh, the crux of the matter, the motion to subpoena the bank records.
So yung Sara trial, doon kung sino na lang ang present, that's how they'll count it. So kung let's say
Yeah, you have to
pugante
be
na si
present
Gold,
because
okay.
you have to be present.
Hindi yung counted ka senator or not. Iba na yan. Yeah,
Yeah,
that's
you have
important.
to be
Kasi
present because that's the rule now. That's still the rule. You have to be present.
present
But
physically.
in the counting for purposes of conviction, that's the issue. That will become
Ang
an
gulo na
issue
naman yan.
because it requires an affirmative vote of 16, assuming that there's a full Senate. So the question is, will you exclude Jinggoy because he's in jail? Because the law says he is suspended. Does suspension include that he cannot vote? That's also the ruling in Trillanes, because the court said you cannot attend sessions, you cannot vote because you are under detention. So they will still question that, of course. They will try to reverse Trillanes' ruling, but that is the ruling as of now.
Wow. So we don't even know how the count will be counted. Like which count will count. Parang kumbaga yan ang problema natin, Justice, ngayon, di ba, as we speak.
Yeah. For purposes of during trial, yung mga motions lang to approve the motions, majority lang. The ordinary majority of those present.
So kung 12 lang present, then 7 would do. Parang ganun.
Yeah, because only a
Or 6,
majority of the
actually.
quorum can
Yeah.
can adopt a resolution, no? A simple majority of the quorum. The quorum could be 12 or 13, so a majority of that will be 7.
7, yeah, exactly. But, dun sa conviction, kailangan mo ng
It,
majority na lahat ng
yeah,
senador.
it has to be two-thirds, fixed two-thirds of whatever is the Senate at the time, no? In other words, well, if somebody died, you have to remove him. It's so
Yeah,
clearly you will say only 23 if one died.
right. So
But
two-thirds of
if,
23.
yeah, but if he did not die, he was just brought to the jail and couldn't go out. Will you count him? That's the issue
Yun
now.
nga eh. And then, of course, to complicate fair, kung yung iba, pugante naman, ayaw magpakita physically. Pero di ba parang Marcoleta was pushing for parang WhatsApp chat na lang nila yan? Parang you can
Yeah,
vote
yeah.
online.
Yeah, online vote. Parang ano, loto. Parang parang you're betting sa ano sa online gaming.
Yan nga, ginawang bingo ang, ano, e-bingo ang trial natin. So, these are unresolved issues. So, eventually, Justice, you're expecting the Supreme Court has to really come in. I mean, I just don't see how the senators can resolve it among themselves. Parang ang gulo na to.
Well, on the majority of the all the senators, 13 is clearly the majority of all, no? Assuming a full Senate. But there could be a 13 soon because the talk is that Joel Villanueva will transfer. So we set that aside. That will be the the next issue will be uh, what is two-thirds of the Senate for purposes of conviction.
In light of the fact na at least one pugante, at least isang nakulong ngayon, at
Yes,
potentially
as
two
of
or three
now.
more, yeah, two or three more, if
Yeah.
not more, ang pwede rin
Mm.
maging pugante or makulong. And then there's
Mm.
also the online one. What is your fearless forecast, Justice, in terms of will the Supreme Court even come in and based on again precedents dito, ano yung angulo na pwede pumasok ang Supreme Court? Kasi Justice, I'm just trying to figure out if there's a way out of this
Yeah,
mess. Kasi the way I look at it, gugulo lalo ito eh. Lalala yung problema sa Senado eh.
yeah. If if no one will transfer to the Gatchalian faction, they remain 12, it's likely that the case will reach the Supreme Court. And so the issue there is, do you count Jinggoy and Bato? That will be the issue there.
Oh. And then later on, kung dadami pa yung mga pugante.
Dadami pa.
Yeah, yun nga, dadami pa. Ano bang timeline we're looking at for the trial? Hindi pa dapat soon dapat yung trial ni Sara Duterte? Like what, July?
Well, I think that's July 8th or something will be the pre-trial.
Right.
This will not be open to the public. It's just the lawyers. And then they will have to set it for trial.
And we hope that in the meantime, the ombudsman makes also some moves, no? Uh, are you happy with Ombudsman Remulla? Like between the two Remulla brothers, sinong mas impressive sa'yo, Justice? Yung
Well,
nagtulak ng 18 Marines plus Robin Padilla mag-isa? Parang hindi ko kayang
well,
tanggapin or si ano?
well, hands down, it's of course Boeing is proving his worth now. No, he was able to at least deliver on the plunder cases, one down and two or three more to go.
Oh, at saka si Curly din, no? Nahuli din si Curly I'm pinaano rin si Curly. Tapos,
Yeah, and that's the other thing there. He might come out with 150 names. Baka maubos lahat ang mga congressmen and senators natin.
yun nga eh, parang, yan ang worry ko eh. Parang ano na talaga eh. Ano ano na to, maging drought na to ng mga legislators at dire. Di ba sabi ni Curly kung alam lang niya, yun din lang palang mangyari sa kanya, di na sana siya nagsalita. Pero ngayon na nakulong na, wala na siyang pake, parang gano'n. Let's go.
Yeah, right now he's the most dangerous man in the country. He can bring down a lot of senators and congressmen. And he might have the receipts. May mga resibo
Oo,
siguro siya.
yeah, correct. That's why protect Curly, no? I mean, seriously, Justice. I mean, by the way, yung 18 Marines na yan, Justice, like, what is your read? Do they seem convincing to you? Kasi paiba-iba sila ng sinasabi. Bakit parang sabi ni Raffy Tulfo, bakit hindi sinasama si Solar Mom? Ay, sorry, si Legarda, ganun, ganun. Tapos sabi nila, ay, hindi naman kasi nila nakita na pumasok daw yung maleta kasi nilagay lang daw sa gate tapos may nagdala. I mean, what is your read of this whole 18 Marines? 18 Marines or 18 Marites? I mean,
We
meron bang
lost you.
legal way? Uh, now, can you hear me, Justice? Ngayon, may hindi natuwa yata sa sinabi ko. Can you hear me, Justice? 1 second. Re-reset na naman to. Anong nangyari? Ay, ayan, Justice, sorry. Nag-reset na naman yung internet ko. So just to close on this. No, I mean, on this 18 Marines, 18 Marines ba or 18 Marites? Kasi parang ang gulo nung sinasabi nila, whether on Loren Legarda, on Mark, I mean, Mark Villar was DSW, DPWH secretary. That's pretty serious stuff too, isn't it, Justice?
Well, I think the 18 are not credible at all because I mean they said that they gave the money to the executive assistant of Soto, and turns out the guy was already dead. And Soto was not even a senator. They said that they gave the maletas uh, to Congress, to then Senator Laila de Lima. But she was in Camp Aguinaldo. She was jailed at the time. She was not even a congressman. So, ano na yon? Dalawa na yon. Tapos, sinabi pa nila na they gave money to the maletas to Loren. And then, binawi nila. Tatlo na. Strike out na yon. Let's strike out. 3 times na. Ano pa yung sinabi nila? Maybe si Mark at saka yung si the Villars, no? They have not changed their story yet on the Villars, but
Oo
they did
naman,
not
baka naman may
mention.
grain of truth na which could make all the difference.
But they did not mention the Villars in their so-called testimony before that grouping, the gathering. So I think that group has really lost their credibility. Uh, I don't think they're worth listening to now. No, it's just too many details. They will parang ano eh, babawiin nila yung what they stated under oath, babawiin lang nila. Ganyan lang ba yan?
Which brings me really to the final point, Justice. I know it has been a long day. Tanong ko lang, yung nangyaring, yung nagtulakan sila, ano, si Robin Hood Padilla, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos yung sinabi ni Erwin Tulfo na, ayun, sasampalin niya yung kabila kung nakialam sila. Is there any law kung if ever maging physically abusive sa isa't isa itong mga senador na to? Because I'm not ruling out anything na at this point. Yung mga Tulfos are like really tinutulfo na nila yung ano yung Duterte na eh.
Well, that's not, they have not come to blows, so verbal blows lang muna.
Hindi naman yung kay Remulla at saka ano, 'di ba? Nagtulakan na. I mean, what else are we waiting? May fake shooting it looks like, may tulakan nangyari. I mean, what are we waiting for?
Parang ano, parang the the legislative body in Taiwan
And
talagang
Korea. And Korea.
nagsusuntukan Korea, o talagang nagsusuntukan sila.
Not that we're waiting for that, but hindi na ako ma-surprise justice anything can happen na talaga ito sa Senado natin.
Saka ang something what I call a surprise witness, si the congressman from Palawan,
Oh yeah,
uh,
yeah, 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 yeah. So you're
he
expecting
suddenly showed up. Uh, he suddenly showed up. I did not receive the money. My wife is looking for the maleta. My wife and my children are looking for that maleta. How
correct,
can
correct.
I? Ang ganda yung kanyang sabi eh. Hinahanap sa akin yung mga maleta, wala na mapakita.
Feeling ko justice, pina-AI lang nilang Senate Flix na yan. Ang sabog ng script eh. Parang, where is this? Wala siyang arc eh.
Poorly, poorly written script, biro mo pa. uh, uh, binabawi nila. But under oath, bawi, bawi. Dinadagdagan, binabawi under oath. So,
Congressman
mukhang,
Alvarez. Yeah, Alvarez. Congressman Alvarez. Yeah.
yeah, si Pepito, yes.
Oo.
So,
Yeah.
nakakatawa eh. Sabi, nakakatawa siya eh. Hinahanap raw ng asawa niya sa kanya yung
Wait
maleta.
lang. Pati nga si Ronald Llamas, may maleta rin pala eh. Hindi nagsasabi, pa-burger naman dyan. Sabi ko, pa-burger naman dyan, Sir Ronald. Di ba? Ang ganda na. Ako, naka-ready maleta ko dito sa likod.
Di
Oh.
ba, no? There was a picture that came out in the papers. They found the maletas in the karaoke bar of ano of the sino ito si the one orchestrating this
Right.
si
Let me check that, Justice. Sa daming kalokohan, this ang sabog ng sabog ng ano eh. Ang sabog ng script na ito para siyang rhizomatic nanganganak on the sides yung ano, 'di ba? Oh my God. Well, the Maleta bribery scandal. Ayan, tinitingnan. Itong KTV bar, no? Ito pa yung sa Ortigas, Pasig, Justice.
yeah, that's
Ang gulo na to, grabe. Um, So, huling tanong, Justice, may pag-asa pa ba ang politika natin? Kasi people are saying, abolish na lang yung Senado na yan. Wala rin, sayang din yung taxpayers' money kung ganun lang mangyari. I'm having a hard time seeing a way out of this. Although, of course, yung trial ni Sara is I don't know, let's hope that's the final huray na they redeem themselves. But as things stand, many people are asking, is it time to revive the discussion on constitutional change? Maybe under the next president, kung hindi Duterte yung next president. I mean, do you think it's a bit premature? Or I've seen enough, Justice Carpia. Paano ba?
well th- this will uh, the bottom line here is this is a play of the political dynasties. You have the Marcoses and the Dutertes. These are political dynasties, and they feel they are above the law. And we're talking of billions of pesos here, no? So, well, I hope that the bottom line is the subpoena of the bank records and of the bank officials will be granted, and they will tell the story, and that's what we want to know. And that I think it's whether or not there is a conviction doesn't matter anymore, because the people will make their decision based on that.
So you're not still,
And I think
no,
they understand that. That's why there's this really Herculean effort to stop the trial. This is all about stopping the trial.
yun nga eh. And if the trial goes forward well, then we could see. I see Mike Defensor, no, we were referring to kanina.
Yeah,
Yung
yeah. Si Mike Defensor, ang dami niya palang maleta sa karaoke bar niya.
Hindi ibang karaoke bar yata. Grabe
That
talaga.
means hindi pala na-deliver yung mga maleta kasi andun pala sa pura karaoke bar niya.
Mukhang may ano eh. Wait lang, dito muna sila ganun. I mean, my goodness, no honor among ano no, among among our friends ang ang situation dito, Justice. Yun nga, people are saying, naman tumatawa na naman kayo ni Justice Carping, serious. It's dark humor. Ano, maiyak pa kami, di ba, sa nangyari sa bansa natin. But Justice, I'm glad that you're holding out still hope and saying, hintayin muna natin yung trial, that will be important. I also agree with your colleague, Associate Justice Ronald Llamas na na uh, BBM will be under pressure next month sa SONA niya, no? He has to show something. Kasi last year SONA niya pinabuking itong flood control. So if he doesn't have something big to show by next month, he's gonna be in a very, very tough spot in his final year in office or so. So the deadlines are coming. So Justice, are you cautiously optimistic na by July we'll see some big inflection point potentially sa ating politika kasi medyo nakawala ng gana at saka na ano na nakakabaliw yung nangyari sa ating bansa eh.
Well, the inflection point for me will happen when the bank records are submitted and the bank officials will be required to testify. That is the inflection point for me.
100%. This time that's going to be the difference, diba, from last year. It's the bank
Yeah,
records and that I think could have a lot of
yeah,
impact.
you cannot argue against that.
It's hard to argue with money. Thank you so much, Justice Carp. I know it was a very long day. Kaya pagod tayo para pati si Defensor. Hindi natin, ayan, si Mike Defensor, KTV Bar. Lumalabas na dito sa, sa Google ko. Thank you so much, Justice Carpio. Maraming salamat. Looking forward to catching up with you in person in the coming week sana with the rest of the gang. And hopefully by July, we can break down yung parang ginawa natin live, no? Dun sa
Yeah,
arrest ni Digong. Let's do a live with the rest of the gang dito
yeah,
sa trial ni Sara Duterte. Thank you very much, Justice. God bless and have a lovely evening.
yeah. Good night and thank you, Richard.
Salamat, sir. Thank you very much, Justice.